Hey, hello, champions. In this session, what we are going to do is we are going to quickly create a Linux instance quickly. So quickly jumping onto my console. And I believe now you have become pro, so you should be very crisp enough to create an instance quickly. So we'll go into EC2. The idea is to not only create this instance, but the idea is also to connect to this instance. Okay. So let's create first a launch one instance. So I'll say launch. Okay. And let's give it the name demo F1 EC2. Okay, I'll go with the default Linux T2.micro. You can say T2.micro, whatever is eligible in your free tier. Go with the default image, machine image. Now, this is important. Key pair login. So use the key that that you have downloaded. So I think I have this one, Sham June 2023. Now the thing is, I have a only .pem file of it. When you are creating key for the first time, the new UI gives you an option to download the PEM and PPK. So let me share you two things. When you're creating a new key pair, so you see now you can create a new key pair. Let me call it new uh, key. Now the thing is, you can create and download either of its file. Like you can download directly the PPK, and you can use the same PPK to connect to the Linux instance. But this option we have got in new UI that you can see right now. The old UI, the only option that we had is to download PEM. So my question is what if you have a PEM file, you want to log in from your Windows machine to Linux, how to do that? So let's resolve that case. So you can create a new PEM file. I'm not going to do that. You can select the PEM and say create a new key pair. The PEM file will be downloaded. Now the thing is, for people who didn't have this option and has only PEM file, how to get PPK. Okay. So first let's create instance. So I'll go with the key for which I have the .pem file. So please make sure you select the right key or you create a new one. And I'll select the default VPC settings and default security group. Okay. I'll go with the default hard disk and I wanted to copy paste the same four-liner key code, that we use always. I'm just adding a little more thing to it, to just make it a little more customized message that welcome to Cloud Champions Club. But even the earlier, this four-liner piece of code should be good. So I say launch instance. So this is how you quickly launch instance. Okay. I wanted to quickly launch instance. And then in the next session, I'm going to show you how to download basic prerequisite tools, two tools, that's Putty and PuttyGen, to connect to this Linux instance from your Windows machine. That's a cross OS platform. So let's quickly check if we have the instance created. Okay, so you can quickly see the instance is created. It has got this public IP. I'll quickly check this for you. And the thing is, it has got the key same that I have .pem file for. So I'll quickly check if the page is open. Okay, so if the UI is accessible, and note that you'll also have to ensure that security group has port 80 open for it. So I'm quickly checking my security group. So you can see the security group has port 80 open for all the IPs. Let's see if the web page is available. Time to for this instance to come up, and once we refresh this page, you can see the page has come up. Okay, which means the instance is running. Now in next quick session, what we'll do is we'll download some tools and we'll try to connect to this instance. So a quick exercise, guys, please make sure you follow the instructions below and use this piece of code. When you allow the port 80 in your security group inbound rules, create this instance. In next few sessions, we'll quickly log into this box. That's what we had in this session. Cheers. Bye.